So Infinix released the Hot 12i a couple of months ago, and there are a ton of specs that you really need to know about, and that is what I'll be showing you today in this video. My name is Jude Patty, and welcome to my channel.
Okay, starting from the unboxing. Has a memory fusion capacity to expand your RAM from 3GB to 6GB. Wow, that's not bad for this phone. Giving us this device on a scale of 1 to 10 rating has a 6.5 from me, but I'm not a gamer anyway.
So in conclusion, I'm not so impressed with the qualities of this phone due to the image quality and the video quality. But with the price of the phone, I think it's fair enough. But I would recommend this phone for those who are on a tight budget but still want some good and basic tech qualities. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next review. Au revoir.